After fixed the letters, then we need to connect the wiring from the back. Now we're switching to the back side of this wooden wall. To make it convenient for everyone to view, we flipped the wooden wall panel right over. Then everyone can take a look at the wiring at the back. Each backlit channel letter is wired separately. 2 wires run above each character. Black wires is the positive, white wires are the negative. We connect black wires with black wires connect, white wires with white wires.